12,000 lunar orbits/Earth day. Muslims believe that angels are low-density creatures, and that God created them originally from light. They move at any speed from 0 up to the speed of light. It is the angels who carry out God's orders. Those angels take their orders from a preserved tablet somewhere in outer space, and not from God's throne. They commute to and from this preserved tablet to get their orders from God. In the following verse, the Quran describes how angels travel when they commute to and from this tablet. And the speed at which they commute to and from this tablet turned out to be the known speed of light. Quran. Allah rules the cosmic affair from the heavens to the earth. Then this affair travels to him a distance in one day, at a measure of 1,000 years of what you count. It is the angels who carry out these orders. Those people back then measured the distances either in kilometers nor in miles, but rather by how much time they needed to walk. For example, a village 2 days away meant a distance equivalent to walking for 2 days. 10 days away meant a distance equivalent to walking for 10 days. However, in this verse the Quran specifies 1,000 years of what they counted, not what they walked. Those people back then followed the lunar calendar and counted 12 lunar months each year. These months are related to the moon and not related to the sun. Hence, in one day the angels will travel a distance of 1,000 years of what they counted, the moon. Since this verse is referring to distance, then God is saying that angels travel in one day the same distance that the moon travels in 12,000 lunar orbits. It turned out that in an inertial geocentric frame 12,000 lunar orbits/Earth day is equivalent to the speed of light. See orbital mechanics. Force times displacement. In physics, work against gravity is simply weight multiplied by displacement. Work by gravity. In the absence of other forces, gravity results in a constant downward acceleration of every freely moving object. Near Earth's surface, the acceleration due to gravity is g equals 9.8 m.s2, and the gravitational force on an object of mass m is Fg equals mg. It is convenient to imagine this gravitational force concentrated at the center of mass of the object. If an object is displaced upwards or downwards a vertical distance y2 minus y1, the work W done on the object by its weight mg is W equals Fg, y2 y1 equals Fg delta y equals mg delta y. Where Fg is weight, pounds in imperial units, and newtons in SI units, and delta y is the change in height y. Notice that the work done by gravity depends only on the vertical movement of the object. The presence of friction does not affect the work done on the object by its weight. Work against gravity is simply weight multiplied by displacement. This was known recently, however this was portrayed in the Quran 1,400 years before it was discovered. In the Quran, work is related to weight. Quran. Whoever does work of an atom's weight of good will see it. And whoever does work of an atom's weight of evil will see it.